blood pressure. I will discuss about the measuring of blood pressure. So first of all, let us discuss about the apparatus which we need for measuring the blood pressure. This is the apparatus basically we need for measuring the blood pressure. This part of the sphygmomanometer is known as a cuff, and after that this part is known as tubing. This part we can say that arynoid meter, and this is a pump from which we fill air in the cuff. There are two parts of the bulb. One is the upper part is known as a air release, from which we can release air, and the lower part we can say it as end valve or the air filling part. Other apparatus that we need is a stethoscope. This part of stethoscope is known as the air part. After that, this is a tubing, and this part is known as a chest piece. There are two parts of chest piece. The frontal part is known as a diaphragm, and the backward part is known as a bell. So let's start about the practical. First of all, you all know that blood pressure is measured in two parts. One is systolic and the other one is diastolic. Blood pressure. So let's start our practical. First of all, you have to wrap the cuff piece over the forearm, 2 inch above the forearm. After that, you have to fill air. You have to focus on the meter. You have to fill the air about 180 to 200. Let's start. You have to check this part of the bulb. It should be tightly closed. You have to fill the air 180 to 200. After that, you have to put the stethoscope in between these two tubes. Now release the air slowly. You have to release the air so slowly that you can hear the sound of heartbeat. When the meter will be below 160, you will hear the sound of heartbeat that can be heard as luff and dub. You have to count this reading, and this reading will be systolic, and you have to focus the meter after some time.